Good morning and welcome to Mama's Kitchen. The other day when I ended a video, I had said that I was going to make hummus for you and show you how you can make a really good sandwich spread. So I'm going to make two different kinds. And this is really good on toast, on pretzels to dip in your pretzels in, or some celery sticks or carrot sticks, or use for sandwiches like subs. I mean, it's just really good on anything. Hummus is really good. What you start out with is some chickpeas. These are low in sodium, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them anyway. I like to rinse them off even though they're low in sodium because I'm making a spread out of them. Sandwich spread, so bring them over here to your processor, food processor, whatever you have. I have a Ninja that I use, but a blender will work. Okay, so then I'm using these they're sweet salad cubes because they're all broke up already, and so when they're in here they'll get a little bit smaller in here. And just put about 3 tablespoons into the garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Chickpeas is the same. And then that's how we'll start out with that. Okay, then you want to put some water in after you mix it up pretty good like that because it's pretty dry and you want it creamy. And it doesn't really matter if there's a little bit of lumps in it. It tastes really good. Looks perfect. Perfect. When you get it made up, if you're making 2 different flavors like I am, just put your first flavor in a bowl, get it out of the way. You can add any kind of seasoning. If you like garlic, if you like onion powder, whatever you like in yours works really good. This one, I'm just going to add some honey mustard to this one. Gives it a little bite. And my family loves honey mustard. So I'm just going to add that to my spread here. And this is going to be sweet pickle with honey mustard. And like I said, you can add your salt, your pepper, your garlic powder, your garlic or your onion powder, or whatever kind of seasonings you like to yours. I'm going to set that one to the side. I'm going to start my next one. My next one's going to be barbecue. I'm just going to add a little bit of water, not much. Just a little bit of water, and then turn it on for a couple seconds, and that should be it. Oh yeah, looks great. Texture looks really good. Barbecue sauce, hummus. Oh, it looks so good. My family's gonna really love this on their pretzels, bagels, corn cakes, just about anything you can think of you can add your hummus to. Very easy recipe to make, no cooking involved. Just rinse a can of each of garbanzo beans, chickpeas, same thing. Try to find the low sodium ones or no sodium added. They also have the organic ones. I buy those too. So just enjoy your food today. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer them on my next cooking show. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.